Hey, Jeff Newton here with National VA Loans. The contact us at National VA Loans is 855-956-4040. Of course, check us out online, www.nationalvaloans.com. All right, guys, today I want to talk to you about one of my favorite subjects, and that is the VA refinance or the VA cash out refinance. Um, Now, there's a couple different VA refinances. So, number one, you have the VA IRRRL, the interest rate reduction loan, which is a great loan, probably one of the better ones that are out there for a strict refinance. And um, the next one is the VA cash out, and that's the one I want to hit on first. So, the VA cash out, and what is so great about it is the fact that it is like any other VA loan where it is backed by the VA. The VA guarantees 25% of it. You still qualify for some of the best rates out there. And of course, no mortgage insurance and blah, blah, blah. We know all the benefits of the VA loan. And if you don't, check out some of our past videos because they're all out there. Or hell, give us a call at 855-956-4040. Myself or any of our VA specialists here will be more than happy to tell you about the benefits and the great things about the VA loan. But the VA cash out, so again, all the same great benefits of any other type of VA loan. But what it does, okay, and this is pretty cool. The VA loan is the only loan, the only cash out refinance loan that you can cash out above 80% loan to value. So all your other loan types, your FHA loan, your conventional loan, really, those are your two other loan types in the cash out world because USDA typically doesn't allow for cash out. So the FHA loan, the VA loan, and the conventional loan are your three options for cash out. Both the FHA and the conventional loan will only go to a maximum of 80% cash out. Okay. That's the highest they'll go. So if your house is worth $100,000 and you'll be able to finance up to 80% or pull cash out up to 80%. So let's just easy terms. House is worth $100,000. You owe $50,000. You have $30,000 that you can unlock in equity in your property that you can actually remove and take out and then use it however you want. There's no restrictions on how you use cash out at all. And it's not a tax implication. You don't pay tax on it. You don't do anything like that. It's equity, it's money, it's yours. Okay. It's your property. So again, FHA and conventional only allowed 80% cash out. Where the VA steps up and really comes through for the VA buyers and for our veterans and service members is they will go up to, hold your breath here, they will go up to as high as 100% cash out. Now, not every lender out there does that, but the VA does allow up to 100% cash out. So let's take that same loan of $100,000 value, you owe 50 on a conventional and FHA, you can only qualify up to, unlock $30,000 or 30 more percent equity. With VA, you can unlock $50,000 equity. Now, what's even better is there's no mortgage insurance. Okay. There's no monthly mortgage insurance. Now you still have your homeowner's insurance and you still pay your taxes and all that kind of stuff, but there's no monthly mortgage insurance. So what could you do with the extra money? What can you allow yourself that you couldn't get on an FHA loan or a conventional loan? I mean, the sky's the limit. Because again, there's no requirement on how you have to use the money. There's no requirement on where the money can go. There's no tax implications on what you're doing with the money. It's your equity. It's your money. You can use it to pay off debt. You can use it to get rid of credit cards. You can use it to, I don't know, pay for college. You can use it to super fund a 401k. You can put it in a nest egg for your kid. I mean, you can do whatever you can set it aside for retirement. You can get it in the market. You can do whatever you want. Hell, take a vacation. When's the last time you've done that? Take your family somewhere. You can do what you want with it. Okay. The nice thing about the VA is that it does allow you to access that much of your home's equity, whereas no other loan does. Now, most of your typical lenders out there will allow up to 90% cash out, but even then, that's more than what you're seeing on any other loan type, whether it be FHA or conventional. So the VA loan allows you to access all of your cash, all of your equity, all the money that you have sitting in there. Of course, you can do that by giving us a call at 855-956-4040. Any of our VA specialists will help answer those questions for you. Before we get out of here, I do want to touch on the VA IRRRL because it's also one of my, if you guys haven't been able to tell, I love the VA loan. It's awesome. Every aspect of it is pretty fantastic. But the VA IRRRL is another one. And that's if you're not looking to cash out, but you're just wanting to lower your interest rate. If you're if we're in a market where the interest rates are coming down on a consistent basis, the VA IRRRL allows you to, with limited documentation, meaning no appraisal requirement, no income requirement as far as proving your income that you have. All that you're doing is taking your current rate and dropping it. Okay. It's an awesome loan. It's the VA interest rate reduction refinance loan, or the VA Earl, and it's fantastic. Okay. It's, again, the VA just says they hit the nail on the head when it comes to the VA loan. So, recap just real quick: the VA cash out loan, there really isn't a better cash out loan that allows you to access more of your home's equity than the VA loan. It just doesn't happen. It's not out there. And then the VA interest rate reduction, again, there's not an easier way to lower your interest rates. So once those rates are coming down, if you're at a higher rate at 7 or 7.5 or somewhere in that range, and that rate goes down to 6.5, 6%, 5.5, 5%, as it goes down, you can go down with it. Now, there are guidelines in place to make sure that we do it the right way. But again, give us a call at 855-956-4040, and any of our VA specialists will be happy to go over all of the information with you and answer your questions exactly. Again, it's 855-956-4040 or nationalvaloans.com. Until next time, folks, thank you so much for everything. Thank you for your service, and God bless.